So students, we had already cleared to all of you those type of animal, those water who are living inside the water are known as aquatic, and such type of habitat which they can adopt in their life are known as aquatic habitat. Okay. So better examples we can see in the oceans. As you know, who is living in the oceans? Fish, dolphin, whale, these all are the many more organisms are living in the water. Okay, so what about the oceans? It is a part of marine habitat. For example, fish, whale, dolphin you can say, and it is a huge body of salt water. As you know that the sea water is a salty water. Salty water, it means you can say that saline. Okay, there is a mixes of sodium chloride and many more substances are mixed in the water. Okay, and you know, in the case of fish, if you are talking about, the body is streamline shape that helps to overcome the resistance due to water. Means the resistance which is given by the water that can easily reduce. Okay, that overcome to the water. Okay, due to the streamline, it means you can say the boat shape structures. The fish having the boat shape structures. Okay, from both of the end it is taper, but in the middle half of the portions of the body is very broad. Okay, means you can see here like this. This both hand are the top tappers. Okay, but in the middle half portions is a broad. Okay, so such type of structures is known as a streamline. Okay, so the if you are talking about the body of the fish, it is having the streamline that help to overcome the resistance due to water. Okay, and you know, the fish having the gills for breathing. It means they can take the oxygen which is already dissolved in the water. Okay, and also you know, the swim with the help of fins. Okay, with the means fins is having, by the help of the fish can easily swim, and due to the streamline shape they can easily flow in the, you know, move in the water. Okay, that helps to overcome the resistance which is given by the water. Is it clear to all? So the next we will move something more. So students, how the aquatic habitat will occur in ponds and lake? As you know that the some of the plants have their root fixed in the soil which is below in the water. Okay, some plants freely float on the surface of the water. You know, some aquatic plants are submerged in the water, and all part of such plants are very underwater, and some of these plants have narrow and thin ribbon like leaves. Okay, now you can see the easily bend in the flowing water. Okay, in some submerged plants, leaves are often you know, highly divided into the branches through which the water can easily flow without damaging them. Okay, so you know that in the ponds frog is also living. So frogs, usually you will see that lives in the pond. Frogs can stay both inside the water as well as move on the land. Okay, when frogs are live in the water, they are using their, you know, skin with the help of, and for breathing on the land they are using their proper lungs. They have a strong back leg that help them in leaping, okay, and catching their prey. They have webbed feet which help them swim in the water. Okay, so we have discussed lots of varieties of plant as well as their animals. Okay, thank you for watching this video.